Imagine rejection as a powerful storm. While most people cower, a Stoic stands firm, using the winds to grow stronger. Rejection doesn't diminish your worth. It's an opportunity to refine your character, strengthen your resolve, and practice mastery over your emotions. Today, we'll explore 13 lessons inspired by Marcus Aurelius and Stoic philosophy, teaching you how to use rejection to your advantage. If this wisdom resonates with you, share it with others. Just as the Stoics believed in spreading virtue, like, share, and subscribe to continue the journey of growth and enlightenment together. Do not forget to ring the notification bell. Number 1. Reframe rejection as feedback. Rejection is not the end of the road. It's a signpost guiding you toward growth. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Think of rejection as feedback from the world, showing areas to improve or reevaluate. Instead of seeing it as failure, view it as a chance to sharpen your skills, refine your strategy, or adjust your approach. Number 2. Detach emotionally. Stoics practice apatheia, the art of emotional detachment. Rejection often stings because we attach our worth to others' opinions. Break that link. Instead of asking, "Why me?" ask, "What can I learn?" Emotional detachment doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you gain the clarity to care about what truly matters. Number 3. Control what you can. Focus solely on what lies within your control, your effort, thoughts, and response. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action." If rejection blocks your path, turn it into a stepping stone. Refine your efforts and persevere with a sharper focus. Number 4. See rejection as redirection. Every rejection closes one door, but it often opens another, one you may not have noticed. Life has a way of redirecting us toward opportunities better aligned with our purpose. Trust that each no is a step toward a greater yes. Number 5. Cultivate inner virtues. Rejection is not a defeat. It's a chance to grow in patience, humility, and resilience. The Stoics valued character over comfort. When rejected, focus on building your inner virtues, knowing that true greatness comes from within, not external validation. Number 6. Use reverse psychology on yourself. What if you embraced rejection instead of fearing it? Tell yourself, "This is an opportunity to prove my strength." Reframe rejection as a challenge, a test of character that you're determined to overcome. The mindset shift transforms rejection into fuel for success. Number 7. Stay composed under pressure. Be like a rock against which the waves continually break, Marcus Aurelius advised. Rejection may feel like a tidal wave, but your calmness amidst the storm is your greatest strength. Composure turns chaos into clarity, giving you the edge to rise above. Number 8. Redirect your energy. Instead of wasting energy on self-pity, channel it into self-improvement. Dive into learning, practicing, and refining your craft. Growth is the ultimate antidote to rejection. It's proof that you're always moving forward no matter what others think. Number 9. Don't take it personally. People reject for countless reasons, and most of them have nothing to do with you. Their choices are reflections of their preferences, limitations, or circumstances, not your worth. Separate your identity from the rejection, and you'll find freedom. Number 10. Practice gratitude. Even in rejection, there's something to be thankful for, a lesson, a redirection, or simply the courage to try. Gratitude shifts your mindset from focusing on loss to appreciating opportunity, making rejection a stepping stone rather than a setback. Number 11. Keep your purpose in focus. Rejection can feel disheartening, but it doesn't define your path. Keep your purpose front and center. Remember why you started, and let your mission guide you. Obstacles are temporary. Your purpose is enduring. Number 12. Embrace the temporary nature of pain. Pain is fleeting. Growth is enduring. As Marcus Aurelius said, pain is neither unbearable nor everlasting. Rejection stings momentarily, but the strength and wisdom you gain last a lifetime. Number 13. Rejection builds resilience. Every no strengthens your ability to handle adversity. Think of rejection as weightlifting for the soul. It hurts in the moment, but it builds the muscle you need for the challenges ahead. Celebrate each rejection as evidence of your growth and unshakable resolve. Rejection is a tool, an opportunity to transform discomfort into growth. As Marcus Aurelius taught, The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. By reframing rejection as a teacher, you'll unlock the resilience to thrive. Remember, reverse psychology isn't about avoiding rejection but using it as a stepping stone to success. Stay stoic, stay strong, and keep moving forward. Share your stories in the comments. How have you faced rejection and turned it into strength? Ring the notification bell and let's grow together.